Transform and optimize your industrial operations with IRMATIC's intelligent automation solutions. IRSTOC 945, smart carousel-type dispenser with secure point-of-use access. Perfect for MRO supplies, PPE, and cutting tools. Features 9 fully configurable compartment sizes with complete traceability for each transaction. IRSTOC 1260, high-capacity drum vending system with up to 1,260 modifiable compartments. Perfect for industrial environments requiring non-stop automated distribution of PPE, tools, and consumables. Features RFID authentication and barcode tracking. AeroLocker, versatile locker system with up to 72 configurable compartments. Perfect for tool management, e-commerce order fulfillment, and secure product distribution. Built-in charging capabilities for power tools with complete access control through an intuitive and responsive 21-inch interface. AirDrawer, industrial storage with fully expanding drawers and removable dividers. Holds up to 1,792 SKUs. Ideal for cutting tools, gauges, and high-value assets. AirDrawer Pro, enhanced single-point dispensing cabinet. Pinpoint precision control opens only the needed compartment, optimizing tool crib management with per-item traceability. AirDepot Max, automated returns handling augmented with sensor-based verification. Streamlines the collection of recyclables and used equipment. Integrates with master units for closed-loop asset control. AirPoint, shop floor control point managing up to 100,000 SKUs. Offers real-time inventory visibility paired with procurement automation. Features comprehensive job and department tracking. Earhook, specialized point-of-use system for lifting equipment. Automated inspection date verification with complete user authentication. Ensures regulatory compliance for safety equipment. All powered by Ear System, our comprehensive management software connecting your entire automation ecosystem. Join industry leaders across Europe in transforming their operations with IRMATIC. Book your free consultation today and discover how IRMATIC can revolutionize your industrial processes. Visit IRMATIC.com.